Buzz Corey became Commander-in-Chief of the Space Patrol.
Go ahead, Mr. Secretary.
Captain Corey, fleet the Interplanet Express at the limit of the Terra Patrol perimeter and escort it to Terra Spaceport.
Yes, sir.
The Express is now inward bound for Mars on Space Meridian 109.7. It's carrying the plans for the new top-secret space drive.
Interplanet Express enters the vast uncontrolled region between perimeters. Another ship approaches. At the controls is the tyrant ruler of the planet Neptune, Prince Baccarati. At his side, Dr. Malingro, evil scientific genius. Evil scientific genius. Evil scientific